Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I have two new Longchamp bags to share with you. This is a relatively new color that Longchamp came up with, and this might be one of my favorite colors that Longchamp ever did, well, so far, because they keep coming up with new beautiful colors. I fell in love with this color as soon as I noticed that they added this color to their classic line. I immediately had to go into the boutique and check this color out, and I love the color so much that I got one bag for myself. I kind of needed this kind of a bag for a reason, which I'll get into after I show you the bag, but I also ended up getting another bag in the same color for a giveaway for you guys, which I'm so excited about because I am sure a lot of you might love this color as much as I do. Anyway, let's get into the two bags. This one is the bag that I got for myself. Comes in this pouch, and you can already see what bag it is. As you can see, I added another Le Pliage bag to my collection in this beautiful rosy pink color. Oh my goodness, I am just so in love with this color. And I got this one in the size medium. Oh, there's the tissue paper. Let me straighten the bag up. My goodness me, isn't this the most adorable color ever? I love that it is more of a muted pink. Those of you who know me pretty well may know by this point that pink bags typically don't really work out for me, but all of the pink bags that I've tried in the past was sort of the more cool toned pastel-y lighter pinks, whereas this one, I love that it is a little bit of a mauvey pink, so it will be pretty neutral as pinks go. I do have quite a few Le Pliage bags, but I actually don't own this size in my collection. So this one used to be my go-to Longchamp Le Pliage tote bag. This is in the size large in the black with the classic tan leather trim. I also have this one in a navy color in the green line, which I bought to replace this one since this one was getting really old, but I still really like the original version, which is this one. But I find that on a day-to-day basis, I don't need to tote this bag, so I thought I should try out the size medium this time, which, as you can see, is considerably smaller than the size large. I thought this medium size will be a great daily tote bag size since it'll carry all my daily essentials, but it won't be too bulky and cumbersome for me to carry around just running day-to-day errands. The large one is great for traveling, but I notice myself only using the large one for when I'm traveling. So yeah, when I'm just out and about, I thought this will be a great size. But the real reason I ended up deciding to purchase another Longchamp Le Pliage bag is because I am finally downsizing my baby bag from this massive backpack. This one is a Lululemon, the new parent backpack. This served us really well while our baby was little, but we just don't need to carry around as much as us. I did a reveal of this baby bag when I first had my daughter almost 2 years ago. Time flies, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. But now that she's really a proper toddler, I find myself not needing this big of a bag. I feel that I can be pretty compact with what I carry around with me. So I found myself not using this bag at all, but I was using just a flimsy tote bag to put all her stuff and just chucking it under my compact stroller. And since I changed to the compact stroller, this big backpack doesn't even fit under it anyway. So I've also only been using this for traveling. So hubby normally carries this one with all baby toys and things for the plane. So I kind of retired this baby bag for traveling only. By the way, if you guys are considering this new parent backpack from Lululemon, if you're expecting or if your baby is really young still, I wholeheartedly still recommend this one. It's spacious, it's got great padding, so it's really comfortable to wear. It's waterproof, it's got lots of compartments, including lots of outer pockets as well as interior pockets, so very easy to organize your baby things. And you can also hang this on the handle of your pram as well. It's got a separate buckle for that. And I always recommend that you go for a more unisex bag for your baby bag, so when your husband or partner carries the baby bag, it looks decent on him as well. So yeah, this served me really well for the last couple of years, but it is time that I downsize and be more compact with my baby bag. Also, since she started eating real food, I find myself needing 2 separate bags, one food bag that is insulated and then a small compact bag like this for all the other essentials like the nappies, wipes and some toys. So yeah, that's the real reason I thought, you know what, this will be a great new toddler bag, downsizing from the massive bulky baby bag that I was using. All right, this brings us to our next little reveal. This is for one of you guys. I'm going to give this one away. I haven't done a giveaway for so long, and this was a total spur of the moment purchase. When I went to purchase my small Le Pliage bag, I noticed this and I didn't need one more of this size, but I thought, you know what, it could be a great gift for one of you guys. So to show you guys, it also comes in this cute pouch, and again, you can already see, I do really love these cute pouches, by the way. Anyway, to show you guys, I got the ever so popular Le Pliage pouch with the handle. It is so cute in the same beautiful rosy pink color. I just thought this color looked so beautiful in this size, but as you guys know, I already own this size in a brown color, so I thought I don't really need to duplicate here, but I really want to just buy these, and then I thought it would be perfect to give it away to one of you guys. So I just couldn't help myself but bought this. If you're a bag lover, you already probably know by this point why this pouch is so popular. It is so well priced. You can actually convert this into a bag by getting a bag conversion kit. So you can attach a strap to it and use it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. I absolutely love using this as a very casual running errands bag. I did talk about how this was a little bit too small for traveling for me as a sightseeing bag, because now I typically carry around 3 passports with me, mine, my hubby's and my baby's. So by the time I had 3 passports in there, it was pretty tight in there to fit my other things in. But if I was solo, I had the 1 passport, this would have been a really amazing travel sightseeing bag, or even just personal belongings bag for your plane ride as well. So I still really absolutely find this bag really handy, but I honestly don't need another one of these. This one is more than enough for me. So when I found this beautiful new color in the same functional pouch, I just had to get it for one of you guys. This is a really casual giveaway. As I said, it was a completely spontaneous decision. So if you're interested to enter my giveaway, I'm just gonna make it super simple. You just need to be a subscriber of my channel and leave me a comment on this video. You can comment whatever you like, but I found it is the easiest for me to reach the winner via Instagram. I am sure all of you have an Instagram account, so I'll just get you to leave your Instagram handle in the comment without the @ because sometimes I feel like YouTube thinks comments with that @ sign a spam, so I know that some comments got deleted. So I just ask you guys to leave a comment saying something like my Instagram handle is, or my Instagram account is, something like that. So it is just a normal sentence. Oh, and also don't forget to give me a like on this video. So that's all we have to do. And I'm going to leave this giveaway open for 2 weeks. I'll leave it open internationally, so you can enter from anywhere in the world. And I'll always pick the winner randomly using like a random comment picker online. And I will reach out to the winner on Instagram, also announce the winner in a pinned comment under this video, as well as in the description section after the 2 weeks and the winner has been confirmed. I feel a little rusty with giveaways, so I'll leave all the details about the giveaway in the description section below and a pinned comment as well, so have a read over there if you're interested. And let's just have one more look at how beautiful this color is. I am just obsessed. There we have it. Anyway, that wraps up this very casual Longchamp double unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys are all well. Thank you so much for being here, spending some of your precious time with me, watching my video, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.